If you've ever edited subtitles manually, you know it's not exactly fun. Luckily, there's an app that makes it way easier and a lot faster. Hi, I'm Daniel, and today I'm reviewing Verba, an AI-powered app that helps you add subtitles, edit videos, and enhance your content, all from your phone, whether you're creating for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or anywhere else. Verba gives you tools to make your videos more engaging with almost no hassle. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's dive into how it works. What is Verba? Verba is a mobile app that uses AI to automatically generate subtitles for your videos. The interface is clean, simple, and very intuitive. You upload your video, and Verba takes care of the hard part, analyzing speech and generating word-by-word subtitles. Then, you can customize the look of your captions using built-in style presets, or create your own style from scratch. It's ideal for anyone posting on social media, especially since a lot of people watch videos with the sound off. Captions increase engagement, and Verba makes that part effortless. How Verba works? So let me show you. I've uploaded a short clip to Verba. Before it starts generating subtitles, you can pick the language yourself or just let the app figure it out automatically, which is super handy if your content mixes languages or you're not sure what it'll pick up. There's also a subtitle translation option. If you're trying to reach people who speak different languages, this saves you a lot of time. Just turn it on, pick a target language, and Verba takes care of the rest. It'll translate the captions for you, so your video can connect with a wider audience. And if you want your subtitles to pop a little more, there's a feature called AI Highlight. It automatically emphasizes important words or phrases to make your message clearer or add some emotional punch. Once that's set up, Verba jumps in, detects the speech, and starts generating subtitles. It only takes a few seconds.
How could I be so stupid? I checked this out weeks ago for a bit of light reading.
This is light.
Of course, here it is. Nicholas Flamel is the only known maker of the Philosopher's Stone.
What?
Honestly, don't you two read?
And the accuracy is actually impressive. Since it builds the captions word by word, the flow feels really natural, nothing clunky or out of sync. Verba gives you a bunch of templates that already look clean and professional. There's bold, colorful styles, more minimal options, even animated ones. It really covers most of what creators need right out of the box. Verba gives you a bunch of templates that already look clean and professional, organized into different categories. Each tab offers a different vibe, and you'll find multiple styles to choose from. If you're in a rush or just want something polished, the presets definitely do the job. But if you want to make it feel more personal or match your brand, you've got a lot of control here. You can change the font, size, color, line spacing, and even play around with background shapes and opacity. So whether you want a loud, colorful style or something low-key and minimal, it's totally doable. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Before diving into creative effects, Verba also lets you fine-tune your captions manually. You can easily adjust the timing of any line, fix transcription errors, or add new text if something was missed. It's all laid out on a simple timeline that's easy to scroll through and edit. In this part of the app, you can explore Verba's built-in library of stickers and audio clips. There's a wide variety of graphics. Some are fun and playful, others more minimal or theme-based. You can scroll through categories and preview how they might look on your timeline. Same with audio. You'll find sound effects and background music that could help set the tone or add a bit of flair to your content. It's all organized and easy to browse, even if you're just experimenting. Once you're done, you can export the video in high quality, ready for upload anywhere – YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, you name it. Verba is free to download and offers in-app purchases. For casual users, the free version has enough to work with if you're creating content regularly. Upgrading to unlock more export options and styles might be worth it. Overall, it's a well-priced app for what it delivers. Final thoughts. To sum it up, Verba is an efficient, mobile-first app that takes the pain out of subtitle creation and light video editing. It's especially useful for content creators who need speed, style, and accuracy, all from a single tool. And because it's designed with mobile-first platforms in mind, it's perfect for vertical video workflows. If you want to try it out, the download link is in the description. Big thanks to Verba for letting me test the app. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like or subscribe for more content like this. Catch you in the next one.